what holiday we have coming up? Madison?
Thanksgiving.
Thanksgiving. And who played a big role in our first Thanksgiving? Have you talked about that?
No.
You haven't? Did you talk about pilgrims yet?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, so pilgrims, they were there at the very first Thanksgiving in, it's like 395 years ago, so a long time ago. So today what we're going to do is we're going to kind of look at the differences and similarities, so things that are different and things that are the same from when they had their first Thanksgiving to when we have ours now. Do you think that there are going to be some things that are same? What do you think? You don't think so?
Yes.
You do? So we have some yes, some no. So we're going to read this. Let's find out to help us figure it out. So this is called Welcome to a Pilgrim Village. Pilgrims lived long ago. What was their village like? Village. Does anybody know what a village is? Jacob?
Villages are where you live in or you could live in.
Exactly. It's the community that they lived in. So right now we have neighborhoods, but when the pilgrims lived, it was their villages. What would you see in a pilgrim village? You would see homes in the village. The homes were made of wood. Looking at this picture of their houses, is this what our houses look like today?
No.
No, so that's something that's different. But they still had houses just like we do, right?
Yeah.
You would see animals in the village. They had goats, cows, and chickens. Where would we find goats, cows, and chickens? Daddy?
At the farm.
On the farm. You would see ovens in the village. This is their oven. What can you tell me is different about their oven and our oven?
Our oven, the rack is on top and the bottom of it are sticks.
Our sticks. What else do you notice about their oven? Roman?
In the fire,
It's a fire. Yep. Anything else big that you notice different?
there's those little rocks inside, so they can, because it's a big rock, they build that, so they can build outside.
It's where?
They can build it whatever they want.
Where did you say it was though? Is it inside or is it outside? Their ovens were outside of their house. Where are ours at?
Inside.
Inside in our kitchen. You would see children playing games in the village. This game is a lot like bowling. So again, like they have bowling just like we do, but theirs is outside and ours is inside. So they have a lot of similarities, things that are the same, but they're a little bit different because a lot of their things are outside when ours are now inside.
And it's to make sure if you have this
Mhm.
side
Right,
and that stays
right. Wow, that's incredible. They had no lights and no TV. Pilgrims did not have electricity. How do you think that they saw then if they didn't have any lights? What do you think that they used to see in the dark?
Well, no technology.
No technology. What do you think they used then?
Flashlight. Fire.
Fire on a
Stand.
candle. They had candlesticks so that they could see in the dark because they didn't have lights like we do today. They didn't have anything to power the lights, so they had to light candles and just use the light of the candle.
Like lighters.
So, we went over some of the similarities and differences in their village. So let's see if we can decide on the back if any of these things that we would find in the villages or if they're just stuff that we have now. So raising your hand, who can tell me chicken? Did they have the chicken then or is it just what we have now? AJ?
They can have chickens and we can have chickens.
Exactly. What about a computer?
No.
Delaney?
No.
Nope, they did not. Goat, Jackson?
Yes.
Yes. What about lamp?
No.
Brindley? No. Wood houses?
Yes.
Yes. What about a cell phone? Do they have cell phones, Roman?
No.
No. What about candles?
Yes.
Yes.
And no electric.
And what about cows?
Yes.
Medicine?
Yes.
Yes. So we went through this and we decided what things are different, what things stayed the same. So now what we're gonna do, just a second, is we're gonna take these worksheets and there's different pictures at the bottom. So independently, which means by yourself, we're gonna cut these out and paste them. Then, which means in the villages, or now, what we have now. Does that make sense?
Yes.
So you're gonna cut them out, and if it's something that the pilgrims would have on their village, we'll put it on this side under then. And if it's something that they wouldn't have that we have, we'll put it on this side for now. Does that make sense?
Yes.
Okay,
Are
once,
we doing glue them?
yep, you're gonna cut them out and then you're gonna glue them on which side you think they go on. But we're gonna do it independently. So once I give you the paper, AJ, you can go back to your desk. And what's the first thing that you do?
Write our name.
Write
First
your,
name, last name, not last name. First name, last name,
say house will get burned. Yeah, 'cause they're gonna use fire for their oven.